Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Turbo VPN on your Android phone. First, open the Play Store, search for Turbo VPN and install it. If you are using an iPhone, you can install it from the App Store the same way. Once the installation is complete, open Turbo VPN and accept the terms. After that, close the trial page and you will see the main interface. Now you just need to tap the connect button to start the VPN. When it connects, you can tap on the connected country and choose any free country you want. If you want faster service and more options, you can also upgrade to the premium version. Turbo VPN is one of the popular free VPN apps available right now. So give it a try. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.